You have received your Evoskill rims, or you are planning to place an order. Here is how to install your Evoskill rims in just a few steps. Before you start, you'll need the following: a set of hexagonal male wrenches, a set of open-end wrenches with metric sizes 8, 10, 12, 13 and 14, a flathead screwdriver size 5, a mallet. Count approximately 2 to 3 hours for assembly time. Step 1. Stripping. To ensure safety during transport, the two wheels are secured to a wooden panel. Before starting, unscrew the KM5 nut and the lock washer to remove the wheel from the stub axle. A simple actual effort is required to remove the wheel. Step 3. Mounting the spindle on the axle. Place the spindle on the axle. Lock the assembly using the screws at the rear of the stub axle to a torque of 18 Nm. Step 3. Mounting the wheel on the shaft. Align the wheel so that the disc pins face the oblong hole in the brake disc. Push the wheels up to the bearing's hard stop. Place the lock washer with the tabs facing towards you. Engage the KM5 nut on the shaft. Chamfer side towards the lock washer. Tighten moderately. Your rims are now in place and you are ready for takeoff.